Hello everybody, in this video I'm just going to show you how you can get onto Hub and J2blast so that you can practice your times tables, which we've been working on this week. So I've signed into Hub just by going onto Google and searching Hub, and on that main page, if I scroll down, it's this Just Too Easy J2E button that I need to click on, which is the same as we did last week for our 3D shape hunt. And when I get to here, instead of going to JIT like I usually do, this time I'm going to go to J2blast. This navy icon. Now on here you've got Spell Blaster, which is really good and something I think you should have a little look at if you get a chance. But for today and our lesson, we're going to look at J2blast, Times Tables Blast. Now the first thing that comes up is a leaderboard. Now you can see down here, I'm coming 12,077th in Wales, 692,692 in all of Britain. So I'm not doing very well with my 10 points, but hopefully, eventually, you will be able to go live by clicking this big button here, and you will be able to challenge some of these people and earn your own points to get up that leaderboard. But we're not quite ready for that there now. So what we need to do is we need to click over here where we've got our alien with a clipboard and click Have a Practice. Now, my levels are basically different times tables. So level 1 starts with the 2 times table. We've got level 2 is the 5 times tables, the 10 times tables. Level 4 mixes them all up, so you get a mix and match. And it carries on and goes up. So you can choose your level and where you want to start. And because I've shown you how you can work out any multiplication sum, even if you don't know your 8 times table, if you did level 8 and you got the 8 times table and it said 4 times 8, well, you know that you've got to make 4 groups of 8. So you might be doing it with Cheerios or toy cars or Lego blocks or whatever you want. You can work them out, but I'm going to keep it simple. And I'm going to do this with the 5s. Okay, so I'm choosing level 2. Now, the first thing I want to say is I'm not worried about the time. I don't want you to worry about trying to beat this clock to start with, because the most important thing is that you work it out and get the answers right. So 8 times 5, I could make an array for that. And I could use whatever I wanted, maybe Cheerios, and I could go, well, I need 8 groups of 5. So I'm going to get 5 Cheerios, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 8 times. But I'm also quite good at counting in 5. So let's count in 5s 8 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Right, that was a good one. Let's go 40 there. 3 times 5. 5, 10, 15. I held up 3 fingers. And I counted in 5s, and it was 15. So I tap on the numbers and press equals. 11 times 5. Oh, well, I know that 10 times 5 is 50. So 11 times 5 must be 55. And I'm going to go through these now quite quickly, just to shimmy it along, because then I will show you what happens when you get to the end, okay? So there are 10 questions in each round until you get to about round level 5, 6, or 7. And then there start to be more. Now, when you do that, you will get a little scorecard like this. So this shows me the 10 questions I was asked, and I've got clocks down the side, green if I was very fast, red if I didn't beat the clock. This first one I was so slow because I was explaining. I didn't even get a clock at all, but I don't want you to worry about the clocks. What matters are these ticks. So I would like you to take your time, and if you need to create arrays or get objects or draw something to help you solve the problems, then that is fantastic. Now, if you're happy with your score, you can press this little save button here. And what that will do is save that scorecard to your files. And I will just, if I flip back to this one and click on my files, that means that I will be able to see it in yours. And that is here for you to see as a record of your scores there. If you think, hey, I can do better than that, that's not my final go, I can press continue. And I can retry the same level to try and beat my score or beat my time. Or I can press continue, go back on practice, and have another go. This time I might think, this time I'm going to try my 10 times table. Or I'm going to challenge myself to my 4 times table, because even though I can't count in 4s yet, I know how to make an array. So 3 times 4, 3 lots of 4. Poor luck, everybody. I can't wait to see how you get on.